Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Mockup in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, open your design, go on bottom and click on elements. Now here, type on the search bar, Mockup. Click on graphics. Now, as you can see, there are different type of mockups. Okay, let's go on frames. Oh, I'm going to select this desktop version. Now go on upload and select a media like this. Now as you can see, that's how you can add a mockup in Canva mobile. So it is looking pretty much good. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.